Here are the 10 lessons I learned in 2023. This is day 6 and lesson number 6. I realized that being on a healing journey, we're constantly being taught that something needs to change within us. And sure, most of the time that's true, but I also learned that there's actually nothing wrong with me. Nothing needs to be fixed because I'm not broken. I learned that we're all energy and we express these energetic frequencies differently. And so all I needed to do was to just get to know myself a little bit more. And just because I have a trigger or I feel a negative emotion doesn't mean that there's something wrong with me or something that I need to fix right away. It just means that my body is communicating with me. It's telling me what I need in that particular moment. So if you learn to be patient with yourself and not judge yourself for how you're feeling and actually just feel it because it's coming up, then you'll realize that this is just part of life. Feelings and emotions are just part of what it means to be human. So you don't have to rush to change yourself. You can just be with yourself in that very moment and give yourself the space to be who you are, to be human, to be present with your feelings. I promise you there's nothing wrong with you. What were some of your biggest lessons in 2023? Let me know in the comments below. Follow for more, and I'll see you next time.